어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고잉 이불 속에서 고잉 고잉은 언제나 너에게 고잉 고잉
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Hasifa Putri Maharani, Class Management 22A, NPM 224011031. In this video is one you to tell you about selection and placement material. First, understanding. Selection and placement are important concepts in various contexts such as home and recruitment, marketing, and education. They refer to the process of choosing the right candidate's product or element and position them appropriately for a specific purpose. Next, concept. Concept selection is the process of carefully choosing or picking something or someone from a group of options. This process involves assessing and comparing the qualities, skill, or characteristics of the available choice to determine which one the most suitable for a particular purpose. Here the breakdown of this concept. Placement. Placement is the process of position of arranging the selection items or individuals in a specific location, role, or context. This step comes as the selection process and involves ensuring that what was selected is used or positioned effectively. Next. This step typically includes the following. Number 1, job analysis. A job analysis is the first step in the selection and placement process into conduct and thorough job analysis. This involves defining the roles and responsibilities of the position, as well as the skill, qualification, and competencies required for success in the role. Number 2, recruitment. Once you have a clear understanding of the job recruitment, you can start the recruitment process. This involves attracting potential candidates through various channels such as job posting, employer referrals, recruitment agencies, and social media. Number 3, application screening. As applications come in, you need to screen them individual candidates who meet the basic qualifications for the position. This can involve reviewing resume and cover letters. Number 4, pre-employment testing. Some organizations use employment testing to assess specific skill, knowledge, or aptitudes relevant to the job. This test can help narrow down the pool of candidates. Conduct interview assess the candidate's qualification, skill, and suitability for the job. Interview may include one-to-one interview, panel interview, and behavioral interview. Number 6, reference check. Reference check contact the candidate reference to gather insight to their work habits, attitudes, and past performance. Next, candidate assessment. Some organizations use various assessment tools, such as personality assessment or situational judgment tests, to further evaluate a candidate's fit for the role and the organized culture. Next, final selection. After assessing all candidates, make a final decision on who to hire. Consider factors like qualification, skill, experience, culture, fit, and the result of assessment and interview. Next, final selection. Extend a job offer to selection candidate. The offer should include details about the job, compensation, benefit, and other relevant terms and conditions. Next, onboarding. Once the candidate accepts the offer, the onboarding process begins. This includes completing necessary paperwork, providing training, and ensuring the new platform is integrated to the organization smoothly. Next, placement and orientation. Place the new employee in their designated role within the organization and provide an orientation to familiarize them with the company policies, products, and culture. Next, probation period. Some organizations have a probationary period during which the employee performance is closely monitored. This allows the employer to assess whether the new hire is a good fit for the role. Next, performance evaluation. Regularly evaluates the employment performance to ensure they are meeting job expense and making contribution in the organization. Next, here are some of the key advantages. Number 1. Better job fit. A drug selection process helps match candidates' skill, qualification, and experience with the specific job requirement. This ensures that the selection candidates are a good fit for these roles, leading to higher job satisfaction and productivity. Next, higher productivity. When employees are placed in the position that align with their skill and interests, they are more likely to outperform their best, leading to enhanced productivity and efficiency. Number 3, reduction turnover. Effective selection and placement can help reduce turnover rates when employees are in positions that suit their abilities and career goals. They are more likely to stay with the organization for the long term. Next, cost saving. Reduction turnover and assuring a good fit for position can lead to cost saving for organizations. The expense associated with recruiting, onboarding, and training new employees can substantial so retaining employees through better placement is financially advantageous. Next, enhancing employee engagement. When employees are placed in roles that they are passionate about and where they can use their skills, they are more likely to be and motivation and employees tend to be more committed and enthusiastic about their work. Next, improved team dynamic. Effective selection and placement can lead to better team dynamic when individuals are placed in roles that align with their strengths and work well with the team. It can foster a positive work environment and collaboration. Next, reduction conflict. A well-matched placement can help reduce conflict within the workplace when employees are in roles that suit their abilities and preferences. There is the likelihood of tension and dispute.